Hey guys, Cam here from today's iPhone.com, and I'm quite excited. I've got the iKid NuCharge. This is a Kickstarter project at the moment. It's on Kickstarter.com. I'll leave the link as always in the description box. Made by Shark Design. This is not the official packaging that you're going to get when you eventually, well, if and when this eventually gets to market, but I wanted to show you this because I'm quite intrigued. It's a slightly different take on a battery pack. Now, one thing you will know obviously about battery packs is generally once you've got them on, they're on. You can't swap them around or take them off unless you take the battery off or have a separate case. You can't have a case and a battery pack on at the same time, if you see what I mean. For instance, you get a Mophie juice pack and you've either got the choice of that or taking it off completely. To use a different case. So the difference between this and a regular battery pack, if you like, is that it's an interchangeable one. You can take the battery pack off and swap it around with a case. Now I'll show you what comes in here. This is just the micro USB cable. I'm guessing that will come with the packaging. One thing they did tell me, one thing that's not in this packaging that will be in the official public release packaging that you'll get in retail stores or when you buy it online, you will get a microfiber cloth. But this case is essentially made up of three parts. Now you've got this rear shell which will go on your iPhone, like so. And it's got this really nice, it's got a really soft touch kind of felt finish, not on the outside, but on the inside there's, you can probably see that in there. It's got like a microfibery kind of lining. I'm not sure if that's, again, if this is a finished product. This is still pre-release. Now, you also get this backplate, which is available in various colours. I got the silver aluminium one. And this is the actual battery pack itself. Now you can see all these grooves and dents are kind of in here so that you can clip this in. It's got hooks corresponding to all those gaps. It feels very well designed. You simply slide it on, and that's your battery pack. It's incredibly slim. It's 1,900 milliamps, but they say because of the battery technology that they've used with this, you will get more charge out of this than you would a regular 2,000 milliamp hour battery. So it seems very good indeed. It's got a little kickstand so you can have videos or whatever if you're that way inclined. Now, to charge your iPhone, you simply pull out this lightning connector. This is authorized by Apple. It's one of the first companies to have that. And it's connected to the case using this very stiff, very durable material here, which isn't going to break very easily. And you simply plug that into your iPhone like so, switch it on if it's got any charge. And you can see my iPhone is charging. And the lights on the side there will tell you how much charge there is. Now, I've used a case very similar to this in the past, but this is by far superior just because of the fit and finish. It's almost seamless. These are clearly two parts, but you can barely tell running your finger down the side. It just feels like one case is on your phone. You don't feel like you've got two parts on there. Incredibly well designed. I'm really liking what I've seen of it so far. Now, one of the benefits of this over any other battery case is that your ports and your headset jack, for instance, are all completely exposed, easily accessible. You don't have to take your case off or play around with anything to get access to those. They're just there as they would normally be. And if you want to change the look, obviously like I showed you just now, you can just take the battery pack off and put the backplate on. Now, in terms of cost, once these get to market, which they most likely will do, they're going to cost about $80. But if you pledge on Kickstarter, you can get one if you pledge as little as $59, and you'll get one of these. Essentially, you'll get the battery pack with the backplate. I'm assuming you'll get a colour of your choice. And once again, that aluminium backplate looks fantastic. Very seamless again. It looks really snug, really professional and classy. Now, if that's the pre-release model, I can't wait to see the finished product. But this is, I really like this so far. I'll test it out over the next few weeks or so. Hopefully get a review done. But obviously there's only so much you can do with a pre-release model. You don't know what's definitely going to change and what's going to stay the same. But head on over to Kickstarter if you want to pledge. Please do. I'm sure they'd appreciate it. It's a fantastic looking case and it does the job really well. And it's not just available in white, so if you don't like the white, choose a different colour. Anyway, I'm Cam, I will see you again soon, but first don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I'm at TIP_Cam. Ciao!